Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Windows Security so you can control firewall settings. Click Start, type Windows Security, and press Enter. Once the app opens, choose Firewall and Network Protection to view active network profiles. Make sure you are signed in with an administrator account because changing firewall rules requires elevated privileges. If you're not an admin, switch accounts or request access now. This initial step places you directly where Windows manages inbound and outbound protection, so you can proceed without delay. Next, enable the firewall for each network profile: domain, private, and public. Click the profile name, then toggle Microsoft Defender Firewall to on. Do this for all three to ensure consistent protection across networks. Once done, go to Allow an app through Firewall to check which programs can communicate. Make adjustments only as needed. This prevents unwanted access while letting trusted apps work. Remember, consistent settings across profiles reduce confusion and close openings that attackers could exploit. Finally, fine-tune using advanced settings to create inbound or outbound rules when specific ports or programs need access. Define rules by program, port, or protocol, and set profiles and actions to allow or block. After changes, test connectivity so you confirm the desired behavior. If something breaks, revert the last change or consult the rules list. If an app is unexpectedly blocked, temporarily disable the firewall to isolate the problem. Then re-enable it and adjust rules carefully to restore protection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.